Hello student, today we will discuss about female reproductive system. Female reproductive system is made up of two components. First one is the main reproductive organ and the second one is accessory organs. In the case of main organ, we can include ovum producing organ, that means ovary. Female contain one pair of ovary which are attached with the uterus wall. While in the case of accessory organ, we used to discuss the organ which are related with the transportation of ovum and development of embryo. So here the structures are oviduct. The next structure is uterus. The next one is called as cervix, and after that vagina. Ovary is the structure where ovum production takes place. So this is the part involved in the ovum production or gamete formation. This also releases various hormones like estrogen, progesterone, etc. These female sex organs are released by ovary. Female sex hormone, which are related with secondary sexual character in female. Oviduct is responsible for the conduction of ovum, and a part of oviduct is known as fallopian tube, where fertilization takes place. This is the site of fertilization. Uterus is the structure where embryo development is done, while cervix and vagina both are involved in the parturition process. That means childbirth. Now I am going to draw the diagram of female reproductive organ where all these structures are quite clear to you. This is the female reproductive system, which is made up of ovaries. You can see one pair of ovary. These are found or these are attached with the uterus wall. The structure is uterus. Ovum is released in coelom, and just before to release in the coelom or at the time of ovulation, these fimbriae are responsible to catch ovum into this ductus system. These green color wavy structures, they always beat, and they are cilia, or you can say villi-like process, which are responsible or helpful in the catching of ovum. Now, oviduct is made up of two parts. The earlier one shows a funnel-shaped structure. This funnel is called as ampulla, while the second ductus structure of oviduct is known as fallopian tube. Both are combinedly called as oviduct. Now, with the help of membrane ampulla, ovum is catched, and later on that will move towards the fallopian tube with the help of cilia. In this fallopian tube, fertilization takes place. So, for fallopian tube, as I told you earlier, this is the site of fertilization. Now, after fertilization, cleavage also starts in fallopian tube, and the cleaved structure in the form of blastula, it's attached with the uterus wall. This thick uterus wall is known as endometrium. And this uterus or womb act as the site for embryogenesis, where the ovary is the site of gametogenesis or ovum production. Now, after uterus, a neck-like structure or small constriction is just before of you. This constriction site is called as cervix, which is channelized into a large opening known as vagina. Both the parts are involved in the childbirth process. This is the female reproductive system. Thank you, everyone.